Look out.
Not this Thursday, but next Thursday. For hell, however that much that pocket full you got.
And we trying to get a race with the money, Carlo, too.
I'm just saying the car was hurt the last time, but it ain't hurt no more.
Okay, well, we all had
however much you talking about.
She, whatever.
How much are you talking about?
I'm just saying, I had a pocket full then. I it was 500, man. I don't care. I don't care. When I say I don't care, I promise you, I don't care.
Well,
man, ain't nobody who ride. I'm telling you what Jesus Christ love, my nigga. Whatever.
So how much is whatever?
Whatever you want to do it for.
40,000.
But shit, that's what it is. That's what it is. Shit, I can clown too. 40,000.
How much though?
It don't matter. I told you, you know I had a pocket full. I said I got a pocket full.
You ain't the only one had no pocket full out there that day. I just took a chance because the car was hurt.
Whatever, brother. I don't care. Whatever amount, brother. I don't care, man. I'm one deep, baby. Whatever you come up with, babe, I got it, man.
I'm solo too.
Well, I'm just saying.
Shit, I don't
2,000,
need
we'll
no
do for
help.
2,000. That's me and you.
Okay, how much the lock-in is?
Well, how we gonna lock in? You ain't ready.
Nigga, I said locking in for next Thursday, nigga.
I don't do no locking. I ain't gonna do no locking.
What the hell, what y'all call me for?
Huh?
What y'all call me for if the man don't want to lock in? Man, I'm gone, dude.
Did what you want.
You want to post a
video.
You want to post a
video.
Why you ain't lock the man in?
Damn a video.
Why you ain't lock the man in?
I'm to the business. Get the damn the video.
Obviously you wasn't to the business. You ain't want to lock the man in.
You just want to make a video. That's all you want to do is make a video.
Man.
That's why you called the nigga.
I gotta let the people
nigga,
know what's going on.
Problems, but racing ain't one of them.
So why you ain't lock him in?
Put that on tape, nigga. My shit ready.
Why you ain't lock him in then?
Like, he ain't ready. He's not ready. What did
I
say? ASAP. What does ASAP mean?
If he ain't ready,
ASAP mean goddamn hell we can get on Canada Drive. Goddamn it, that's what ASAP means.
we sure should have locked him in if he wasn't ready.
Lock in when ASAP is right here in front of you right now, nigga.
He's
ASAP.
talking good, y'all. That's it.
Yeah.
It sound good.
Yeah. Nigga, that's why I'm coming to the track.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.